I went to the SCB Medical College and Hospital in Cuttack last evening, and it was a truly horrifying scene there. 10 people had been killed, 5 more were in a very delicate state with their injuries. In our time, there was this kind of accident in a private hospital, Som Hospital, and the health minister resigned. So the present health minister of the BJP party should also resign, and I have demanded a compensation of 50 lakhs for each of the killed people. They truly deserve it. We shall take whatever appropriate action we can in the future. Thank you.
DTV ओडिया देखिवा पाई सब्सक्राइब करंतु एवं बेल आइकन को मध्य दबाई दियंतु।